I have not seen any movie Lilwin did that is not big. I don't know if he wants to take over Hollywood. The first film we came to shoot here, a country called Ghana. The film is not yet out, but the name is everywhere. I'm happy to meet my friend again, to meet those who had problem when I left the last time. The best always comes out from Wizzy Empire. The government should back this small boy, doing great things. If the president can shake him, the only advice I will give to Ghanaians is to support their own. We came to do a country called Ghana. We know what we went through. If they could hold us, they will kill us. When you are not happy with the progress of your brother, the progress of your country, you can't grow. Trying to destroy. But while you are destroying, you are promoting.
Your friend Poleeno, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they didn't tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter way, a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter way. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, a good smartphone. So, Lemfi, a bet 5% cashback. Unim, so you use Poleeno promo code. That is Poleeno. Lemfi, so no. Rate and switch all the other apps. Into my catch so you see Lemfi, they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make catch a Poleeno. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. A bebo ye send the miso abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store. And I say
my trip to Ghana was smooth, beautiful, and fine, and I came with happiness, coming to meet my brother again, the bad boy who has decided to make himself and Ghana an international, push the name of Ghana to a very high height in the movie industry. I always think the type of money and the type of movie that comes out from Wizzy Empire, I don't know. I have not seen any movie Lilwin did that is not big. I don't know his mind. I don't know if he wants to take over Hollywood. Not even get into Hollywood, but take over Hollywood. The first film we came to shoot here, a country called Ghana, I thought it was going to be the biggest out from the Wizzy Empire. But when I started seeing this in Nigeria, I said, what type of movie is this? I saw crowd. I saw expertise. I saw a mind of making film. Because I am not taking this as a home movie. I'm taking it as a film. Not film for film's sake, but film that can win award anywhere in the world. The film is not yet out, but the name is everywhere. The name is everywhere. Captain Ibrahim Traore. I didn't know I'll be here today. I didn't know. But I prayed to be, and thank God I am here. Once again in Ghana. This is I would say my second time for movie. The first time I came was just to relax. That was the first time I came into Ghana. But this one, I'm really happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to meet my friend again. I'm happy to meet Ghana again. I'm happy to meet those who had problem when I left the last time. I seen them very strong once again. I am happy. I'm happy we can meet again after a very long time.
So what should Ghanaians and Sudan people should expect during this premiere?
They cannot expect anything but the best. The best always comes out from Wizzy Empire. They watched a country called Ghana and they were shouting. I don't know what they will do when they watch this one. Even I'm happy to be here to watch the premiere. I'm very, very happy. So Ghanaians should be happy that somebody like this is carrying Ghana to a very high height in the movie industry. I don't know if there are other Ghana movie producers. I don't know. I've not heard of. I've not seen movies as good as what he has done. I think, like I said before when I was here last time, the government should not keep quiet. The government should back this small boy doing great things. If the president can shake him and say, my brother, my friend, my child, do more, I think he will do more than this. If the president can back him up and say, do, we are right behind, because he's not carrying Lilwin. He's carrying Ghana, a heavy load on his head. And he's not thinking of the money he's going to get back. I don't think so. If he's thinking of the money he's going to get back, he will not do films like this. He will not. I know how much he spends. I imagine how much he spends to produce a movie. Not the branding alone. Not the film itself. When I saw crowd, you know what crowd is in movies? When I was watching some of his movements on Facebook, I saw crowd. I said, how is this guy going to manage this? I saw movements, film is all about movement. Moving. And when he can achieve this, bros, he is going to be greater and greater than this. He's going to be very great in the world. I tell you. And Ghana should be happy.
Okay, so
we know that you are not in this particular movie yet to premiere here in Singapore. So I'm asking, how important is it for other actors to support other filmmakers, even though they are not in that particular film?
I am not in this movie, but the movie is mine. Whatever comes out from Wizzy Empire, I am part of it. Every other actor will be happy to be part of this. Anybody that is an actor prays to be part of such movies. If I'm part of it, I think I'll be very, very happy. But that I'm not part of it is part of us. The movie is part of us. It's what comes out from us. It's what comes out from a brother. It's what comes out from the same blood. I am happy and I know it will go very, very high.
So the first movie that you did with Lilwin, A Country Called Ghana, it's now on Amazon Prime. What do you make of it?
It will go more than Amazon. I am very, very sure of that. It will go more than Amazon. It's just starting. That is the beginning. Movies don't die, especially good movies. They don't. They live years. And they don't even die. So we expect more from that movie, A Country Called Ghana.
Okay, so please, you've been in the movie industry for a very long time, and you know a lot of Ghanaian movie producers and stuff. But then why is it that whenever Lilwin calls, you always show up to support him?
Even if Lilwin calls me to come and sleep in Ghana and go back, I'll be very happy about that. Because when you meet somebody who has a dream like you want to be near that person. Lilwin has a dream. And that type of dream is what I buy into.
Any other more questions?
What advice will you give to Ghanaians and Nigerians who are looking forward to collaborate and make it successful?
The only advice I will give to Ghanaians, especially Ghanaians, is to support their own. is to support their own and be happy. Wherever the movie is coming from is Africa. When we came to do a country called Ghana, we know what we went through. If they could hold us, they would kill us. Some of those very few people, they are very few. I know that 95% of Ghanaians were happy we were here. But those few people can destroy things. And they don't grow. When you are not happy with the progress of your brother, the progress of your country, you can't grow. You will just be there fighting, trying to destroy. But while you are destroying, you are promoting. They promoted a country called Ghana with what they did the last time we were here. And that movie, that promotion gave Lilwin the mind to move on.
Have you tried jollof yet?
This one I jollof. That's the only thing I eat here and enjoy. I won't tell you lie. The other time Louis was giving us, the people don't, I don't know, people don't know what is called swallow. When we say swallow, people will start looking at us as if we are fools. Eba, roll with better soup. I think when I was coming, I ate eba, and this is so that will hold me till I go back.
Thank you very much.
So,
Thank you.
Yeah, from here, Lilwin, so when you
no.
It's okay. Okay.
You know me to say, baby. Zola.